So here we woke up to a very cold morning. It is May 11th and it is still snowing and raining and all, and the weather looks really too cloudy and too hazy. So it's very cold in the house. I cannot believe it is May and it's already Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the lovely ladies out there. So this is what we woke up to, and I said, "Oh, it's so cold, and everywhere the temperatures are going so hot, and of here it's so cold." Friends, welcome to my channel, Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves. Happy Mother's Day to the lovely ladies out there, and I hope you all are having a good day and enjoying the gifts and all. So let's see what I can make for my kitchen today. So everybody wanted some puff pastries, which are very healthy than regular bread and Cheerios and milk and all. So let's see, I'll do today with some cauliflower and potato vegetables. So let's see how I do it. So here I have some cut florets and I'm cutting some potatoes. So I'm washing them nicely so that all the germs and pesticide, whatever is there, can be washed out. So I'm chopping some 3 or 4 garlic also so that I can temper it with some garlic slices. Over here I'm adding 2 or 3 spoons of oil. Adding some cumin seeds, like half a spoon. So I'm adding some chopped garlic and I'll let it saute it well. So I'm adding all the washed veggies now. That's the cauliflower and potatoes. Add some turmeric. So now I'm adding some ground cinnamon over here. Just a pinch of it so that it gives a good cinnamon flavor too. And adding cinnamon to your diet is very good because it makes you lose weight. Adding a teaspoon of paprika powder. Adding some salt, half a spoon of salt. Adding a little frozen cilantro. Now give it a good mix so that they all get the coated turmeric and all the color of the spices. Turmeric, chili powder, salt, clove powder, ground cloves powder. So now we'll just cover it and keep it. So the vegetable got cooked so well. It's looking so yummy. It smells good, looks good, and obviously will taste so good. Yum. So here I'm taking puff pastry sheets again. I've got 2 puff pastry sheets here. Over here I have the cooked vegetable of cauliflower and potatoes. I'll be adding this in the puff pastry sheet. So let's get started. I've opened it over here. This is how it came and it got off cut by itself. So I'll just take the rolling pin and trying to roll it and make it flat. So I'm just trying to make of them flat. Just rolling it so that it becomes good flat and nice. So here I'm just making it flat so that they are not too thick. So I'm just filling it up now. So yeah, I'll just cut them into half because we don't need 2 big ones. And over here I have little water which I'll be just touching water and sticking the sides with it. They'll stick well together, and I have made so many puff pastries with different vegetables. So I'll just put them in the air fryer now. But I'll make first everything and keep it and then put it in the air fryer. So here I'm putting it in the air fryer. Don't know how many will fit for now. We'll put 4. So now I will set up the temperature. to 350 and for 10 minutes. So here it got cooked well. So it looks so good. Looks delicious. Here's the ketchup and here's the puff. Enjoy. So this was the snack which I made for myself, and I really like eating air fryer stuff which doesn't contain much of oil and very healthy. And I had added cinnamon, and cinnamon powder which I put in my vegetable is so good. It every day it makes you lose little weight and it keeps your gut system clean and you feel good, because at this time we all need that cinnamon and all those spices and all. So there was garlic and all, so it was so yummy, and it gave that nice cinnamony flavor. You know, how many people of y'all like cinnamon, and you can add cinnamon powder every day. I've started adding cinnamon powder even in my teas all now these days, and I feel really it helps in any cold symptoms or throat pain or colds and all you have, and the weather is like this. It's really good to have all this ground spices and all. So today actually I was speaking to one of my friend from UK. She was telling that on uh, 9th or 10th they had very good no deaths because of COVID. So that was such a good news when I heard that, you know. So I was so happy that there was zero deaths because of COVID. And it's already Mother's Day, and I hope you all ladies and all the women out there enjoy your Mother's Day and ha- take care of yourselves. Give your kids a great hug and have a nice day and enjoy your evening. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you have not followed me yet on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook, please, it's a humble request, please follow me there. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and become a part of my family. Archie Chowdhury, and I end the video over here, and love you lots. Take care. Bye.